Hey, y'all.
Hi,
We live.
we live, baby. Yeah.
We not live. We 4K.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Now, let me tell y'all what happened. We ain't talked to y'all in a long time. Hey, y'all gonna have to subscribe to this channel. This is going on YouTube. I mean, you subscribe. You know, you have to explain. Get off that phone.
I'm finna charge it.
You ain't even in the shot. What happened? Cause you tripping? You tripping, girl. You tripping. Let me see if I can get this better. It's bouncing too much. Oh.
Whoa.
There it is. That's right.
Yes, that's cool.
Okay, we went bra shopping just now.
Wow.
Now, fellas, tell me, how long do
Wait, how you just gonna? We went bra shopping like that.
I mean, people get bras all the time. They sell them. And it was a whole bunch of bras. I don't know how women do it and why. I see why now. I was finna say, how long does it take guys to go draw shopping? 6-7 minutes. We in there, draws, 3-pack, we out, gone.
Because drawers are so simple.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying. You go in this bra store, you got 9, 11, 12 type of bras.
You got 9, 11, 12 type of titties.
Yeah, you do got a lot of titty types. But they should be in titty type section.
What do you mean?
It should be, they got like 9 different bras on the same thing. 44D, WAD, DO double, DO double G. They got all kind of bras and everywhere. I'm like, man, look at all these bras. I need this one, I need that one. I'm like, man, how do y'all know what size to get?
That's why you gotta go get fitted, so you can get the correct bra, the correct coverage.
Okay, so what? Whoa,
Side.
what you doing? Titty. Okay, so whoever fitting you, how you know they know what they doing? What if you get the wrong
Because
size?
once they size you, they give you the bra type to go. And different bras are different sizes, like the regular lace and the push-up and all that good stuff.
Well, I like your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Show me your hair. I don't think they seen your hair.
You did it for me.
Yeah.
And my niece colored it for me.
Yeah.
You like it?
I just said that. But yeah. Fellas, if you gotta go bra shopping with your wife or your girlfriend, don't do it.
Why not?
They take all that doggone day. You can go do a whole bunch of other stuff while they
It
bra
didn't take
shopping.
that long for us.
We've been gone since 6:30 this morning.
No, you ain't. We ain't.
And it's
We've been
12
gone
o'clock.
since 9.
And it's 12 o'clock.
That's okay. I got some good bras. You help me get some good bras.
Okay. I picked the bras. I like that. It was hard for me to pick them.
Why?
So I just brought a whole stack of them like this. And said, okay, pick out of these. I didn't know.
Well, now you know. So it'll be easier for you to go.
I don't know.
Because you're going to go. Okay?
I'm not going.
Yes, you are. Why not?
Why not? Because I'm not. But I'm back in town. I've been leaving tomorrow. Today's my last day in town. Going back out of town tomorrow. You know how a traveling man do? Y'all know how a traveling man do? Yeah. That's it.
That's all I can think of.
Wow.
We ain't really did much.
Yeah, well, we got a cooking show coming. I'll probably put that up today. So be watching. Subscribe! There's gonna be some interesting stuff on here. It's gonna catch your attention. Tell them,
Look,
baby.
let me tell you something. What we not doing is the stupid ass pranks.
Pranks.
Like the pranks where it's you got a hickey on your neck or somebody in the bed with you, and we not doing that dumb shit. Somebody get hurt.
Yeah, we sure ain't doing that. Take your mama. Hey.
Don't talk about my mama. It's on camera. And
was just joke. That was a
So
joke.
my beautiful mother-in-law, you see how he be talking about my mama?
Your
and
mama
be
know I
saying-
love
and be
her.
saying I be talking about you. I don't.
She do.
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 I don't.
She lied.
I said I don't. Love you.
All right, y'all. We out. We finna go make a baby.